Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home.
Today I have a question for all of you Zippo addicts, collectors, and enthusiasts regarding the orange or red warning sticker that comes when you buy a brand new Zippo lighter. It is a commonly known issue that these stickers leave behind a residue. They can damage the finish of a plain brush chrome or any other kind of plated lighter simply from leaving a sort of ghost, shadow, or imprint from where the adhesive somehow, I don't think it permeates the finish, but it does somehow discolor it, stain it, or leave some kind of residue behind. The price sticker that you'll see on the front of a lot of Zippo lighters can do the same damage as the adhesive on the red warning sticker that is on the back. I believe it is fairly common knowledge at this point, fairly well accepted practice when you are buying a brand new Zippo lighter from another collector, that if they have the box and they have the sticker from the old lighter there with the literature and the box, that's considered by most collectors just as good as brand new, just as good as if that sticker was still on it. So common practice, I understand that. That's not the question I have today. Neither is the question about the flint, because obviously if you leave that orange sticker or red sticker, the warning sticker that Zippo puts on from the factory, if that is still on a lighter, as it is in this case from 2007, so 15 years that flint has been sitting inside of this lighter. It would have been better off when we receive new Zippo lighters today. Pull your flint spring screw, dump the flint out of it, and store that flint in the box or put it in a container, use it for an insert that you do use, whatever the case may be. But it would have been better off if this person who bought this back in that day had removed the sticker and then also removed the flint. As it is, we have a 15-year-old lighter that really, I feel a little bit uneasy selling this as new, as I have not opened it up and even looked inside. As far as I know, there might not even be an insert in. I'm sure there is. I'm sure that there has not been a nefarious character get a hold of this lighter and put another sticker on it to make me think it was new. Everything else about this lighter says it's new, but for some reason I still would rather see in there before I sell it. Regardless, that wasn't even what my point was today about the damage for the sticker or the damage from the flint. My point really is this. This is the question that I have for all of you guys, all of you Zippo enthusiasts. Would you prefer, if you were buying this lighter, this 15-year-old vintage-ish lighter that most likely has a degraded flint inside of it and a sticker on the back that's going to need some polishing and some kind of solvent to get it removed? Also, probably there's going to be some residual damage, maybe a ghost shadow image of this little circle sticker on the front, most likely. Or at least that's possible from what I have been told, from what I've seen from older lighters. But we will see. My question, though, for you guys today, would you prefer to purchase this lighter? If this was listed on eBay, you know how my listings are. Every one of my listings is going to have a video along with it. Every one of my single lighter listings. I don't do that when I list lighters in lots and when I'm just trying to get rid of stuff. But When I'm listing it as a working lighter, especially a brand new lighter, it's going to get a video. It's going to have its own video, and you're going to see how I treated that lighter. I am curious what you guys think, and I am going to use your answers to gauge what I decide to do with this lighter. I have not decided 100%. I believe at this point my vote will go toward, let's treat this lighter as if it was mine going into my collection, and I'm going to pull the sticker off. I'm going to clear the flint tube if it needs to be. We're just going to find out exactly what kind of condition a brand new 15-year-old vintage-ish Zippo lighter is in. But I want to hear what you guys have to say as well, simply because if it really makes that big of a difference to most collectors, then maybe I don't make that video. Maybe I go ahead and make the video or include this video explaining what my conundrum was. If you were purchasing this 15-year-old loss-proof lighter, would you prefer that the stickers already be removed? Consider that, at least if you were buying it from me, that's all going to be documented in a video that you can see. You'd be able to see exactly how I treated it, exactly that the flint tube had been cleaned out, that whatever residual damage left by these stickers had been dealt with. Would all be documented so that you would see, you would know that it had been done and how it had been done. Or would you prefer to buy this brand new 15-year-old vintage-ish lighter with the stickers still intact and get to deal with all those unpleasantries on your own? I have been messing around with a couple of these Josephson and Sharpo aluminum block petrol lighters for well over a year now. Very well designed. I had one in the past that functioned flawlessly, and these two just have been a pain in my butt. But I got this one tuned up, it seems, perfectly with the flint tension the other day, and now it seems like it wants to light at every turn. So for you satisfaction-minded folks like Montas and anybody else that may be out there, until next time.